Hi friends, today we again come back for a Leica digital level machine function. So just one machine, after need to set up language. Which language we are going to use? English. After go to manage, select job, create new job. Today date is 200223. Just continue. Data save. Again continue. Job saved. So go back. Go to queue level. Then start backside point. Backside point is B02. So come back, start height 104.191. Okay. Now we need to aim this scale. Aim scale, just press the distance button. Okay, record. Okay, save ready. Then we need to our leveling point number change. Okay, we already number change. We again aim this point, distance. Level coming one more time. Every point must 2 times. Okay. Then automatically coming number 2. Now we again name number 2. Number 2 also 2 times. Automatically coming number 3. Okay. Number 3 also 2 times. Automatically coming number 4. Number 4 also 2 times. Distance record. Okay. Okay. Our 4 point finish ready. So this is the method. Need to use leveling machine. After finish job, press home button. Totally go back. Now data already saved in the machine. To download data. Open, insert USB, then coming, transfer data, export. See today date we save, same date coming, let's press. Need to wait 1 minute, press continue.